we are looking at how to pronounce these two words that look a little similar. They sound quite different. Their pronunciations are different, and their meanings, of course, are very different. So let's get through it. The top word here is what you write on, or what books are made of. Paper. That's how it's said in British English, or paper in American English. Paper or paper. Now the bottom word is a type of plant. It's a spice as well. Now in British English it's said as pepper. Pepper. In American English, pepper. Pepper. Okay, so if you put those two words side by side, paper is the top word, pepper is the bottom word. Paper, pepper. That's British English. In American English, paper versus pepper. Paper, pepper. British English, paper, pepper. And now, you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.